देख रहे हैं जेवी टीवी।
I'll speak about networking. I'll speak about latest technologies like IoT, big data computing, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence, blockchain technology. Little bit I'll take from these. These are today we cannot imagine our life without these technologies. And basically in networking, what are the advancement happen in particular networking field? So first of all, actually right now I am not able to share my screen. Actually power goes on off. So after that I'll take. So from my mobile I'm taking. After that I'll share my screen. So basically, before you can say before 1990 or 2000, the market was dominated with the voice only. So we were transmitting only voice at that time, and to transmit the voice signals, circuit switching is required. So circuit switching, you can say, basically meant to transmit the voice signal. After that, when we have to transmit the data, we have to then when the internet invented, after that we need to transmit or data or text, audio, video, images, all these signals, all these data we need to transmit at that time. Or you can say after the invention of internet, packet switching invented. So you can say packet switching is beneficial for internet, that is required to transmit the signal or data through the internet, because in the internet actually we can transmit the channels. In the circuit switching, we divide our media into the channels, and if somebody occupied that channel, then another one cannot transmit signal through that channel. But in packet switching, multiple user can transmit through the single channel, because we bifurcated the message, whatever the type of message it's maybe voice, text, audio, video, whatever it is, we divided, or you can say bifurcated or partitioned in the packets, and now packets transmitted from one place to other place. Okay, so हम बात कर रहे थे IP version 4, और IP version 4 में actually divided IP version 4 into some groups like A, B, C in classes. It's divided class A, class B, class C, class D, and class E. So these are the number you can see on the screen. The number of class A groups only 126, class B 16,000 something, class C 20 lakh something, and number of host means what is the size of the group, that is class A 1 crore 67 lakh something, class B 65,000 something, class C 254 something. So actually if some organization need only 10 IP addresses, if somebody allot them class B, then simply wastage of IP address. What to do in that circumstances? Then subnetting came into the picture. This concept came to the picture. Subnetting means dividing bigger network into the smaller networks, so that we can minimize the wastage of IP addresses. Still, like 254 addresses are there, and if we divide them into 4 groups, then each group will get 64 IP address. If somebody need 10 IP address, then if we allot them 64, still wastage of IP address is there. Then VLSM came into the picture. In the networking field, VLSM came into the picture. VLSM means variable length subnetting. Variable length subnet masking means subnetting of subnetting. Again and again we are dividing the bigger network into the smaller network to get the desired network size. So by doing that, simply we are minimizing the wastage of IP addresses and efficient utilize the available IP addresses. Okay, fine. Then sometimes what happen, like our class C group, the size of class C group only 256, but might be one organization require 1000 IP address in the single network. Then what to do in that circumstances? In the subnetting, we were dividing the network into the smaller network to minimize the wastage of IP address, but here it's simply reverse. We are having a smaller network and organization need the bigger network. In that case, we'll do supernetting. Supernetting means merging a smaller network to make the bigger network. So that concept called supernetting. And supernetting concept utilized very much by the router. Router actually basically aggregate the available network. The network which are connected to the routers. Router are intermediate devices, you can say. They connect one network to other network. They connect one group to other group. Like if you need to communicate from one your batch to other batch, then you can say you have to go through the routers. In networking, you can consider, you can correlate like that. If you need to communicate with your other friend, then you have to go through your prefect or monitor. Similarly, some router is there. So they actually communicate, they actually provide connectivity between different networks.
Well, Rajasthan is the training partner of our faculties, and also knowledge sharing and organization with the students of engineering, science, and others. So frequently we shall meet and discuss.
Okay, fine, sir. I'm coming on this point. I'm coming on that point.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. First of all, I want to tell you all the audience that I am from BSNL Regional Telecom Training Center. It's one of training center of BSNL, which covers 3 to 4 states like Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab. So 3 to 4 states it covers. We provide training to the different category students like engineering students, diploma students, MBA students. We provide vocational training like 3-week, 4-week, 6-week vocational training if required, summer training, winter vocational training for the students. We interested to do MOU with different universities and colleges. So we have done so many MOUs. We are having MOU with Jyoti Vidyapit University also. With that, we give some better price or better rates, better fees rates to the students, so that student can benefit from it. And the different areas like certificate program we provide project training to the students if any project is required in their engineering. If they require an internship program like 6-month internship program, 3-month internship program, that also we provide to the students. Industrial visit, like 1-day industrial visit, if you want to aware about some latest technology in the telecom field, you can visit our training center, you can visit our installations. If you want.
Thank you very much. Now time is not allowing to listen more because from 3 to 4 our students will be joining Google Meet classes who are, you can say, not in the campus. They have to join online Google Meet classes on the same platform. So thank you very much, and I am extremely sorry for saying that. Please now you can sum up.
Chalo sum up karta hu. So here, before closing my session, I want to thank the management of Jyoti Vidyapit University, Chairman sir, Director sir, faculties. They are always helpful us. They are always we always find them very cooperative. And the brightest students of this university, I am very much thankful to you to patiently hearing me. Thank you so much. We are looking forward to another projects with you people. Thank you very much.
Okay, Anil sir, you continue with me. We continue with the students, and let us wait for 5 minutes. Now I request to our chair professor, Professor Binay Mohan sir, who has a very, you can say, vast experience of industry, and he has worked in the different capacities as the CMD and you can say senior bureaucrats in government organization as an engineer, and after that he joined us as a chair professor of the university. So sir, I request you that kindly sum up this webinar, and keeping in the mind that what is the importance of management development program, how students should proceed further, and what organization and what faculty members as well as all the stakeholders, students and others viewers should do so that they can achieve the goal they are desired for that. So please say something, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Shobha Lal. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, thank you for giving me this opportunity, and thank you for giving me the opportunity of hearing from इंजीनियर अनिल कुमार जी, जिन्होंने कि बहुत अच्छा डिस्कोर्स दिया है. और on behalf of the Honorable Chairperson, the Honorable Founder, and the entire Jyoti Vidyapeeth University, we express our gratitude to Shri Anil Kumar ji, जिन्होंने कि टूल्स ऑफ द ट्रेड के बारे में इतनी ज्यादा अच्छी जानकारियां दी हैं, और ये जो ऑफर दिया है कि along with the MOU, the students will be entitled to certain further benefits, add-on benefits that can be imbibed by them. इसके लिए बहुत बहुत आभार, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. और समय की थोड़ी कमी थी, जिसके वजह से कि बात अपनी कुछ रह गई है, जो कि अभी सीरीज ऑफ लेक्चर्स आपकी जो होगी, तो इसमें ये सब चीजें और उजागर होंगी. अभी तो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस पे, ब्लॉकचेन पे, क्लाउड पे बहुत सी बातें अभी होनी है. तो ये जो सारी जो हमारे इंजीनियर्स हैं, जो ब्राइट यंग इंजीनियर्स सब होने वाले हैं, इन लोगों के लिए ये तो टूल्स ऑफ ट्रेड ये होगी. तो इनका तो ये स्पैनर और नट बोल्ट्स इनकी यही हैं, जिसका कि ज्ञान आपने दिया है, और इन सब चीजों से ही हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. तो इसलिए बहुत ही वेलकम स्टेप है. और मैनेजमेंट के फील्ड में बच्चों को जो ये लेना पड़ता है डिसीजंस वगैरह, उसके लिए ये सारी चीजें बहुत ही यूजफुल होती हैं, काम की होती हैं. इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. टू आवर यंग फ्रेंड्स, what you should be taking note of is that all the intricacies of these advanced networking that has been narrated very ably by Mr. Anil Kumar, you should be taking note of that and work on these things so as to further expand, so that ultimately when you come into profession, all the digitalized spaces, all the SD-WAN segment, etc. Everything, I mean, you are able to handle and face with aplomb. Okay, so these are the areas that will help you progress in your role as a manager in reaching your goal. Because basically, coming into industry, you will be facilitators. Okay. At the junior level, at middle level, all your inputs will help management take decisions in a better way. And ultimately, when you sit on the saddle of being a senior manager, all these experiences will help you in good stead. So these are the few words that I would like to share with you, and thanking Anil Kumar ji for the excellent discourse. And let's, I mean, hope that we keep on these interactions at regular intervals. Thank you very much. That's all, Shobha Lal ji.
Thank you, Vijay Mohan sir.
So this is the time to extend our heartiest thanks to all the participants on behalf of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and on this occasion, once again, I am extending my heartiest greetings and thanks to the Honorable Chairperson, Madam Vidushi Garg ji, Honorable Founder and Advisor, Sir Dr. Pankaj Garg ji, for providing such opportunity to, you can say, activate our activity with those organizations which are having with us as a MOU partner. So in this series, this was the beginning, and we have started from BSNL Rajasthan today, and consequently we shall be doing such activity regularly. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about such activity with BROSIS and some foreign universities, and you can say some international organizations are also in queue, in which we shall be able to listen such discussions. So again, thanks to our MU friend, our MU partner, BSNL Rajasthan, and a special thanks to SDO and resource person of today's this webinar, Engineer Anil Kumarji, and our chair professor, Professor Vinay Mohan sir. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Namaskar.